So look, I was strolling along, just minding my own business, and look who I ran into. Nat and James, sailing Zephyr. When we took our trip to pick up our new high-field dinghy and outboard, we decided to spend some time in New Bern, North Carolina. New Bern, which was founded in 1710, is a quaint, small, historic city located at the intersection of the Trent and Neuse rivers. It is the second oldest town in North Carolina and served as its capital from 1770 to 1792. It is well known as the birthplace of, Pepsi Cola, where the beverage was first created and served in 1898. New Bern's downtown consists of antique shops, art galleries, theaters, and a variety of restaurants. For boating enthusiasts, New Bern consists of 10 marinas, which provide a range of services and amenities for both transient and resident boaters. It's such a cute place. If you get a chance, definitely go there. Into Nat and James, sailing Zephyr.
And the boat's right there.
And the boat is right over there. We're gonna go over and see. So how you guys been?
We're looking good.
Good.
How's your holidays?
My holidays was fabulous. Oh. So it's the shoe phone. There's something special coming in. So we'll get Nat for a minute. And then, but Nat, so how was Christmas and everything?
It was good. It was good. We ended up going to Canada, so that was nice.
And did you had to go back to Australia?
No, I went to Spain for a little bit. Yeah. Okay. So been there for a little while, and I feel bad because every time we come to the US, we're always like flying off trying to get everything, like see everybody, and then we don't really spend that much time here.
Yeah.
But it's this marina in New Bern has been great. Such a little gem that we found here, and the boat's been fine, and the doggies are fine. Everyone, the whole family's back together now.
So y'all were at Canada at James's parents, I guess.
Yeah.
And so I have a question, and this is a burning question. I can't stand it. I'm going to ask it. He's not here. All right, so I've always wondered, is James from Canada or the United States?
No, Canadian.
Okay, that's what I thought. Kathy says, there's no way his accent is U.S. It's as bad as ours. He said, his accent. And I said, well, she can't be. She's got to be from Australia because she's got that cute little Australian accent. And so, anyway, so you were from Australia?
Well, it's all a mixed match. We've got 3 passports each. So, it's all, my dad's Spanish, so I have my Spanish passport through him. My mom's British, so I have my British passport through my mom. And I grew up in Spain. But then I went to Australia, and we've been in Australia ever since. So then my accent just changed to having an Australian accent because it's not my first language, English. So I think whatever I heard, that's what I picked up on. So maybe it'll turn American.
We're getting a tea over here. Come on over here. We're getting a tea. So, so me and Kathy had a bet. And so I thought you was from Canada. And she said, no way. He's got an English accent. It almost sounds like ours. And I said, no, I don't think so. I think he's from Canada. I said, he's got to be a Canuck. So anyway, because we have friends with Canada. And so anyway, so we found out that was true. And we thought that you was actually from Australia because of the accent. But you was actually born in Spain, correct?
Yep. And lived in Spain my whole life, really, until university. And then that's when I left. So.
But Kathy's semi-right, because I did live in England for about 4 years.
So how did you guys see? Look, this is Tony and Kathy. Look, you hear all the fancy stuff on the channels, but we get the real tea. We're spilling the tea.
Still live in North Carolina.
Here's my question. So I don't think I've ever heard this. So how did you guys meet?
University in England.
Yeah.
University in England. So you went to the university in England?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was our last year, and at graduation we met.
Really?
We weren't in the same degree, but our degrees both had the graduation in the same day at the same time.
Which was weird because I was marine biology and you were computer science.
Yeah.
and for some reason they put the graduation the same day for that one, and that's when we met.
That's awesome.
Yeah,
That's
So
awesome.
school sweethearts. Oh, what a great story.
Graduation, sweetheart.
yeah, graduate, yeah, university, not so much school.
Yeah, right.
Awesome. So here's the pups. They're all
Yeah.
looking happy. Everybody's happy today.
They're good. Let's show you the boat though.
Okay. So
Yeah.
anyway, we're gonna walk down and look at the boat.
This is
And,
the first time on the boat.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Here, I'll well, do you want to get him on?
Yeah, we just let them on. They'll jump on.
I love this right here.
Oh, this
On
is
you
the
get. Come on.
new edition.
On you get. Let's go.
Off you go. Oh,
There you
sorry,
go.
you're still tight. There you go. Off you go.
Wait till you see version 2.0 when I do it. Come on, how'd you get?
I know, we need to get
So here's Zephyr.
a new one.
They don't jump off.
Now Zephyr is a Beneteau.
It's a
40.
43.
Okay.
It's a 2010 Oceanus 43.
Awesome.
And yeah.
Let's walk down the. I'll walk down this
That's
side.
what we were looking at Beneteau's to begin with. you
Yeah.
know, and then we just couldn't find one, you know.
Well, the Catalina.
I have a cat.
Yeah. He,
This size? 3 times
right. He went on the boat, you know, with Matt, and I was like, well, you know, if we find a Beneteau, I like this one. So maybe we could find a Catalina. And it still took a long time
Yeah.
to find one. Cockpit.
Yeah, do you guys have
It's a bit
the
dirty
same-
at the moment.
Dual hands.
Yeah,
Yeah.
pretty much.
Yeah. Because the
We
Catalina.
really, I mean, he loved that dual hound.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
and I mean, it would be really
See, I
nice to
should've
have
bought
that.
You want to make us a bench?
Yeah.
Well, I sent
I
you a
know.
thing, and I said I'll bring a sewing machine. We'll
I
figure it out. and We'll sew it up for
I
you.
know you
I did
did.
see that.
And this, well, it's always a.
Like balls.
I like
We got
that.
just little
Yeah, but
balls
you
like
see-
this, you know.
The
So I ordered all this.
Yes, yeah.
It's these type.
No, but I ordered all this.
Oh, yeah.
It's supposed to be stainless steel stuff.
And we just bought
All
these
rusted.
the other day actually with the
All
top,
the-
which
wow.
was
So
actually a
it's
good idea.
And what's
But,
happened is
I need to cull
for some reason it's
a bunch of
weakened.
stuff, 'cause it's just you end up with
All
too
the
much
areas.
Is that regular plexiglass or is that?
stuff.
yeah.
Right.
Okay.
Well,
Right.
it's
But,
it's an acrylic.
But yeah,
Yeah.
this was just.
So
I mean, you
I need
saw
to
the
redo
video,
the
it was
doors.
so
Yeah.
much-
And I made them way too
Right.
thick. I made them the same thickness as the
Yes,
timber,
I love when y'all
and they just don't need to be that
Yeah,
thick.
it really
So they're
turns out
excessively
pretty.
heavy.
But,
So, and I'll do them with
yeah, you
a
always see the
smoked
mistakes
tint
now.
next
Now I'm
time.
like,
Yeah.
oh, I wish I'd done it.
Because we
like
tried putting
the
a,
wood
you know,
from
like
this side
a
and,
normal
you know,
tint over top of
but
it, like a car.
You just
Yeah.
never know.
And it
until
just
you
didn't
got it
last.
down
We
and,
do,
yeah, but yeah,
um,
just
You
got that
actually
done.
melt it.
Yeah.
Hey,
So
did
you
your
go
painting?
real slow.
How cute.
not
Oh my
generating
gosh,
heat.
that was
There's no coffee.
a patron of ours. I know,
Really?
and they sent us the painting. But these are
How
little
cute.
puppies. I know,
Yeah,
lovely.
thank you.
It
Yeah,
was
you have a
really
coffee?
lovely of them.
She will.
I'm gonna put a pot on.
Yeah.
Kathy, you want a coffee?
I would love a coffee.
All right, I'm gonna put a pot on.
Okay, so we're doing a walkthrough.
Yeah, this all looks not very nice, but we did get our seats done. I was just
Yeah,
showing Kathy.
yeah. Oh, that looks
So-
good.
Isn't that pretty?
Mhm.
But we've
And we
obviously
replaced
we
the
don't want the
phone.
dogs on there at the moment, so
So
we've
good.
kind of.
Yeah, 'cause
I'm terrible with names,
this
and I was
is
like,
big.
Sue
Yeah,
something.
because you got a head in here.
Yeah, so that's the head, and then that. But I mean, we never sleep in there. That's kind of
That's
like.
our place, right?
Yeah,
I'm just kidding.
exactly.
That's
No,
what
but
no.
listen, I did tell you guys, and I was going to offer, but we literally just got back from Canada.
Oh, no, we
so
wouldn't.
I was just like, it's gonna be. I haven't even got anything cleared out, but we've actually just cleared out that room.
All right, Nat.
The pressure's on.
All right, Nat. Tell us what you got.
I got fridge slaw.
But this is slaw that came out of the bottom of the fridge.
That's
They
right.
still- What else?
And the pastrami sandwich.
Okay.
So very excited.
James, what you got?
I'm rolling with wings. I got garlic and buffalo wings.
Kathy?
I got chicken salad sandwich and fridge slaw.
Slaw out of the bottom of the fridge. It's not spilled. I have chicken salad sandwich and onion rings. Now, if they eat the fridge slaw that came out of the bottom of the
Here we go.
fridge and they don't pass out, I'm going to take me a bite. So anyway, Ciara's our illustrious server here. So,
Hello.
so how you doing? Tell us
I'm
what
good.
we
How
got.
are you? So my name's Rebecca. We're at Harry's Barbecue in New Bern, North Carolina.
Okay. Tell us a little bit about what y'all famous for here.
So we are famous for all of our smoked barbecues, anywhere from brisket, ribs, pastrami sandwich, chicken wings, all the good stuff.
Cool. And so tell me a little bit about yourself.
So I just moved here a few months ago. I'm currently getting my master's in criminal justice at East Carolina University.
Oh,
So,
awesome.
yep,
Awesome.
yep, call me, I'll be here.
Yes.
So just working here for now.
Awesome. So that is so good.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for serving
Thank you.
us. Thank you. Yes. Yes.
So it's your turn. Do I get to record you trying?
Yeah, let's go.
Sounds good.
All right, so let's see. Let me invite.
Fridge smell is excellent.
Okay, let's see. No, it is excellent. Y'all thought I was gonna pass this out there.
I love it.
Yeah, it's really
You
good.
guys anything else right now?
No, thank you so
All right,
much.
y'all enjoy.
Thank you.
Would you like blue cheese?
Kathy and I would really love to say thank you to Nat and James for spending time with us. They're such great friends. They're such great people. Make sure you go over to their channel, and it's Sailing Zephyr. I'll put a link up so you can go over and subscribe. They are just such great people, and it's just great to know people that take time with you like they do, and they don't have to. And great sailing over to the Bahamas. Think about us while you're there and it's warm, and we're here where it's cold. And we'll see each other on the water soon.
Next episode on Dreamweaver Recipe.
At the Baker's Kitchen. It's Kathy's Baker's Kitchen. So anyway, so we did run into some friends. You're not going to believe who it is. It's our awesome friends. And look who it is. Matt and Nancy from the Foster Journey.